Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact sleeve size and the pipe outside diameter. That prevents seal failure. Once done, inspect the puller assembly, the retaining pin, and the strap for any wear. Lubricate the sleeve bead with the recommended lubricant so it slides without tearing. Now place the sleeve over the pipe end, keeping it 1/4 to 1/2 inch short of the joint. Make sure the seam lines up with the final joint orientation so you'll seat evenly. You now attach the puller head to the sleeve lip and seat the strap so it distributes force evenly around the circumference. Then, apply steady, controlled pressure. Use short strokes rather than jerks. This prevents the sleeve from bunching or tearing. As the sleeve advances, monitor progress in 1/8 to 1/4 inch increments and pause to relubricate if resistance increases. Make sure to keep the pipe stable and the puller aligned so the sleeve tracks straight onto the shaft. You finish by fully seating the sleeve against its stop. Confirm the compression is even all the way around because uneven seating causes leaks. Once seated, trim any excess material and install the specified clamps or retention hardware to lock position. Make sure hardware torque matches the spec. Finally, pressure test the assembly at the recommended psi and watch for bubbles or seepage. If you see uneven movement or a sudden spike in pull resistance, stop, back off, relubricate, and realign before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.